What's up guys, my name's Kamil. In today's episode we are working on the interior of my Nemesis. This project has never been closer to being done. I managed to make the engine crank, which is a huge deal. Before it didn't even budge. Nothing happened. Right now we have a cranking engine and a lot of interior is going to get assembled today. Pardon my mess, but this is what I would call a rear door trim if I had a door on the rear of the car. It's 3 doors. It's attached to the chassis by small clips like that, which are mounted to the trim piece on this plastic thing that is glued. The cardboard to the plastic with a glue. And what happens is, over time, this glue is not holding as strong as it did from factory. And when you try to take the piece off the car, it often breaks the bond between the plastic and the card. I tried to glue that, but the glue I have is not really that strong enough, or it's too old, I don't know. It didn't work, so I'm not gonna be able to attach this today. Now I love how the interior looks, even though I hate the gray. Seeing this car like this makes me happy, cause it's almost done. Well, would you look at that? A lot of things is done. Honestly, seeing even the carpet alone in it made me feel like it's a car again, not just a steel cage. Alright guys, I think it's gonna be it for this episode, because there's a lot of things that I need to buy, change, add or whatever. And today is not the day to do it, but at least you know exactly what to expect in the next episode. Stay safe, hydrated, have fun, and bye.